Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I received my creative retreat kit. So this is for the month of June. And let's see what we got, shall we? Let's see, I haven't opened it yet, so I only seen some videos about it. I think just one by Creative Retreat. Yeah. And I always write the month on here somewhere. So this is June 2018. Because I do have a bunch of their kits. So, let's see what we got. Alright. Cool. So, as usual, we got some bows. 2 bow clips. Which I never use. I don't think I'll ever use them. We have the clear stamp kit. Now, this I love. I like the fact that they have different styles of handwriting. These I love. I hope they're different than the other ones I have. Matter of fact, where is it? So I can compare. I don't even know where it is. Make sure they're not dupes. Hold on. Okay, I can't find it, people. Of course not. I need it, and I can't find it. Ugh. Somewhere around here in my mess. Well, I shouldn't say mess because I did clean up my desk. So I'll check later to make sure to see if they're the same or not. I hope not. Then we have 48 stickers. The colors are beautiful. It falls basically with the month of June. This is awesome. So you get 48 stickers. Oh, these are cute. So we got 432 alpha stickers, yellow and green. This is kind of cool because this is the color I picked for my monthly June, for my bullet journal. And then, of course, the Bible study is what we got. And I believe, let's see, it reflects on John 16, 1 through 33. So then we have the back of this. I've seen videos where people use this on the back and they copy the back of it on their Bible journaling. So that's kind of cool. And then the devotional this month is made by Caitlin Warnett. So basically that's it. And this is the monthly kit for June. So I can't wait to try it. And I do have more kits of them. I haven't started yet because I'm still doing my Faith Over Fear kit that I'm trying to finish up before I start these. But these are beautiful and I can't wait to try them. Thank you for watching. Subscribe. Thumbs up. Keep on watching. God bless.